Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new secret code as well as the new secret not so secret items on Dress to Impress. So for the code, I will put it on the description box down below. It's like this choopy is back or choppy. I don't really know how to pronounce it. But you get this jacket, this like skirt, as well as these like boots. You get that. And then for the secret item, it's not very secretive actually, it's just from the quest. You'll get this, that, and that, like this armor, this bird, this dress, and this outfit for the male, for the masculine body, sorry. And then here you're just going to like walk here, and if you can't find the cat's tail, it's here. It's not super hidden, but like just in case you couldn't find it. And for the pumpkin, you can actually like click on it and put it on. That's also one thing that's a little bit hidden, and one of them is a cupcake one, which is here. It used to be a hot dog one, but people didn't really use it for good. I swear people like make everything in this game, like they make it get deleted, if that makes sense. I don't know what's wrong with my English today. Anyways, and that's pretty much all the hidden items. There's also these hoop earrings if you can't find them. But that's pretty much it. Again, I will put the code on in the description box down below. And for the quest, you do need to do it in the like Halloween event server here. It's only for a limited time, so keep an eye out on that. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.